What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries, a mega love shout out mga ka-Jeromantics all over the world. And for today, we are back for another reaction video for Jerome Ebardome performance of The Girl of My Best Friend. Yes, this is the first time I'm going to hear itong song na to, guys, and I'm so excited. And this is for RJTV performance. So, salamat po sa nag-send ng link sa atin at tayo makakapag-react muli for the performance of Jerome. And of course, if you're new to the channel, guys, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chule Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Here it is, guys. Uy, bakit parang hindi ready si Jerome doon? Nakasimangot siya ng very light. Charet. Naka-make face siya. Charet. Sir RJ, oh. Ay, ang mga mami, mga ka-Jeromantics. Aww. Ang galing talaga nung vocal techniques na yun na Jerome, na yung nuances ni Elvis na malambing, tas switching ng vocals. Sobrang galing. And that small moves, love it. Ooh, I love that vocal technique. Let's go back to that, guys. Balikan natin ang very, very light yung part na yun. Diba? Ay, shala ni Mami dun sa gilid, oh. Eh. Grabe, I love it. Balikan nga natin, guys, sa umpisa. Iba yung kembot. Grabe yung nuances ng Elvis. Diba? Sobrang lambing. And yung nasal nuances ni Elvis, kuwang-kuha ni Jerome. At syempre, enjoy na enjoy si Mami naka-Jeromantics natin doon sa gilid. Uy! At si Sir RJ yung marimba ba yan or tambol? Kung ano man tawag dyan. Ooh, love that. Ang cute! And of course, parang yung vibe ng song na to, very, yung aloha, Hawaiian vibe kind of song, na parang kayo nasa beach, diba? Tapos, nagsa-sightseeing kayo with the girl of my best friend. Parang gano'n, kasi ang lambing ng dating eh. And enjoy na enjoy sa Jerome how he performed this one. Oh, tuwan-tuwa. Nag-enjoy talaga mga ka-Jeromantic. Ang sweet lang talaga. Iba yung chill vibe. Alam mo yung good vibes feels lang. And iba yung diction at saka enunciation ni Jerome dito. Talagang feel natin yung nuances of Elvis Presley dun sa vocal niya. Diba mga ka-Jeromantics, oh? Kung nandyan kayo, guys, comment down below and share your experience. Grabe ang vocal dynamics. Was such an orgasm. Kaya lang parang may narinig tayong aso. Charit. Eh. O, diba? Pasensya na po sa asong naririnig ninyo. Nasa recording po nila yun. Charit. Hey, love it. There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Eberdome singing The Girl of My Best Friend. Ayan. At meron pang kasamang aso sa recording. Si Miss Joe's Journey. Thank you so much for uploading this video. Maraming salamat po at na-appreciate natin na marereacta natin itong The Girl of My Best Friend performance ni Jerome. Kasi hindi ko makita, guys, sa RJTV na live. And also, medyo delikado nga tayo sa RJTV. Kaya naman, thank you so much pa rin po for uploading this video or this recording. And of course, isa na namang good vibes performance ang hatid sa atin ni Jerome. At talaga ba nakita natin how he enjoys the performance and those Jeromantics na nanonood. Kung nandun kayo, guys, share your experience. Iba pa rin talaga pag live mo mapanood. And I hope na magkaroon ng world tour, no? Kahit Asian tour man lang makarating si Jerome dito sa Malaysia, and we can watch him perform live na live. But I hope it's gonna be so soon at excited tayo sa mga darating niya pang concert. I know that he will have a concert this February, guys. You can comment down below para alam ko kung kailan. At syempre, abangan natin ang mga recordings para makapag-react tayo agad-agad. And thank you so much for always supporting our reaction for Jerome Eberdome. And if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to like and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.